In this video, I'm going to show you how to download NovaClick step by step. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description down below, and then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. From here, go ahead and select on this button that says download for Chrome, and then it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. So in order to get NovaClick, we need to go ahead and actually install the Nova extension. So go ahead and press on this button over here that says add to Chrome, and then go ahead and press on add extension. And then over here, it will now say that Nova extension has been added to Chrome. So once you're done with that, then all you want to do is you want to go back to the original download page. And then this time you want to go to the top right and then select on this button over here that does say connect. And it is essentially going to connect your Telegram account to Nova. And from there, you're able to get access to NovaClick. So by the way, if you don't have Telegram for PC, it's really important that you actually do get it beforehand. And downloading Telegram for PC is incredibly easy, but you will need Telegram for PC. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on connect, and then you want to go ahead and open up Telegram, and then you should get something that looks like this. It will say meet NovaClick. So all you want to do is you want to press on this option that does say NovaClick, and basically this Telegram channel is where you're going to be interacting with Nova, where you can go ahead and configure your settings and stuff like that and connect your wallets, obviously. So you just want to go ahead and press on launch NovaClick, then go ahead and press on open one more time, and now it is going to connect the two, and it will say there you go, successfully connected. So go ahead and just press on got it. All right, guys, and then all you want to do is you want to open up something like Bullex, for example, and then you want to go back to your extension manager over here, and you want to make sure that Nova extension is actually pinned. So let me go ahead and pin it really quickly. Then we're going to go ahead and select on it, and then we're going to get a menu that looks like this. So currently it does say disabled, so we need to go ahead and just press on this button, and then there you go. It'll now enable NovaClick. It's going to actually like refresh our page, and from here we can go ahead and select the preset buy amounts, the preset sell amounts, and stuff like that. So I'm not going to give financial advice in this video. This is completely up to you, so just make sure to go ahead and do your due diligence whenever you are configuring these settings. All right, now there's also another thing you guys need to do. So go back to the Telegram channel, and this time we're going to go ahead and select on this one that says menu, and you want to go ahead and select on slash menu like so. All right, so once you have this menu, go ahead and select over here where it says settings, then go ahead and select over here where it says NovaClick. Then you want to make sure that use panel settings is actually turned on. So I do have it turned on right over here. However, there is a chance that it might be turned off, and you're able to tell if it has like a red circle emoji. So just make sure you turn it on in order for this to actually work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.